أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Surah Al-Baqarah Chapter number 2 Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Alif Lam Mim. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ, that the book, La Raiba, no doubt, fihi, in it, Hudan, and guardians, لِلْمُتَّقِينَ, for the peace, الَّذِينَ, who, يُؤْمِنُونَ, believe, بِالْغَيْبِ, in unseen, وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ, and perform the prayer, وَمِمَّا, and out of what, رَزَقْنَاهُمْ, we have provided them, يُنْفِقُونَ, they spend, وَالَّذِينَ, and who, يُؤْمِنُونَ, believe, بِمَا أُنزِلَ, and what has been revealed, إِلَيْكَ, to you, وَمَا أُنزِلَ, and what was revealed مِنْ قَبْلِكَ, before you, وَبِالْآخِرَةِ, and in hereafter, whom they, يُوقِنُونَ, believe with certainty.